questions. I'm Finn. I think a lot. Sometimes my thoughts ask big questions. Where does a thought go when we forget it? Can silence make a sound? Does the moon sleep like me? Where do dreams wait before bedtime? Do questions grow if no one answers them? Can ideas feel lonely? I don't know all the answers, but my questions like to dream. Keep wondering. Your tiny brain is doing big things.
Like, share, and subscribe!